So many people are trying to figure out how can they make some extra money on the side? How can they start a new side hustle? What a great idea if I were to share how to start a print-on-demand business. I am getting ready to walk you through how you could do just that. I'm even going to go ahead and share my screen. We're going to jump right into this video on how you can start your own print-on-demand business for free. Let's get into it, okay? Let me show you how easy it is for you to create a logo using Canva. Now, some of you may know about Canva and some of you may not. So Canva has a free version and it has a paid version. Now, I have the premium paid version, but you do not have to have the paid version. You can use the free version to create a logo. So let me just show you how quick this is. So in Canva, if you don't have an account, you just want to go to canva.com and create your account. And then when you get inside of the account, it has all types of templates. You can either go here where it says logo, or you can just search for their logo templates and go from there. Let's just go from here. I'm going to click on logo. And then I'm just going to choose the template that they already have. Now, if you have, where you want to create your own logo, you would just click create blank logo and you can create it from scratch. But I'm not doing that because that's too much work, honey. So let's say I wanted to use one of these logos right here, right? Let's say I wanted to make this a logo. And let me go back. Let's say I wanted to, let's just pick one. Let's pick this one. Let's say I wanted to use this one. We're just gonna make a quick logo with this one. Okay, so your template is uploading. And let's say I wanted my logo to say, Boss Lady Enterprise. You can adjust it. You can move it around. You can do pretty much whatever you want to do with your logo. I have a lot of fun inside of Canva because I'm a creative, and so I like to create. Let's say tier. Okay. So this is my logo. You know what? I think I want to change it. You can change your logo. You can delete this page. I want it to look like this. So let's do this one. Let's do this one. Now, once again, you can make and do whatever you want. So if you wanted to change the background, you would just go to the colors up here on the left-hand side, and you can change your colors. So my brand colors are here, but let's say I want to change it to pink. I can change it to pink. I can move things around. I can make things smaller. Okay, so there's my logo. Let's say maybe I wanted to add a crown. You can search for a crown. To search for different elements, you would just click on elements. Let's say I wanted a crown. Then I could search for a crown. And I could add a crown to my logo if I wanted to. Yeah, let's move my crown right here. Let's make it like this. Okay. So there's my logo. That's it. That's my logo. So I'm going to put this logo onto a t-shirt. So I'm going to go to share. I'm going to go to download. I want to download this as a JPEG. Well, let's see. I'm going to download this as, let's do a JPEG. I'm going to download it now. Check the settings when you get into Printify to see which setting is best, to see if P&J is best. You know what? I'm gonna download it as a P&J instead. Now, these different back download types, transparent, that simply means that if you click on transparent, if you click on this like that, it's going to take away this pink background. It's going to take away all of the background, actually. The only thing that will be on there is the writing and this image of a crown. Okay, so we've downloaded our image. I'm going to do transparent, and we've downloaded our image, and see, it'll give you this big confetti to show you that you've completed your design. And that's it. That's how you create a logo inside of Canva. We created our logo, and now we are going to upload our logo into Printify. Now remember, there's other programs that you can use as well. We're just using Printify because it's pretty simple to use. So what you're going to do first is click the sign up button and then fill out all of the information that's needed to sign up with Printify. So I'm going to log in because I already have an account. Okay, so now we are inside of my dashboard. So once you get inside of your dashboard, you're simply going to click on design your first product. Now I'm just going to pick something that's really simple to do. I just want to do, let's just say, a women's t-shirt. As you can see, you can pick all kinds of things on here. But I'm going to pick women's clothing. I'm going to do a hoodie. A hoodie should be fun. And from this hoodie, I'm going to choose, see here, you can choose your colors, you can choose your sizes, but we're not going to worry about that. Right now, we're just worried about showing you how you can start a business for free. So we're going to click on the first one. And the next thing we're going to do is, so this is our hoodie. And we are going to click on start designing. So what I'm going to do from here, as you can see, this is the front side. Okay, let me move myself down a little bit. So this is the front side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload that design that we just created in Canva. I'm going to upload it to this shirt. Okay, so I'm finding that design on here, and we downloaded it. So let me go to my downloads. Here's my design right here. Let me move myself up. I'm going to open that file, and here's my design that we made in Canva. So see, it's pretty simple, and you're just going to stretch it until you get it how you like it. And I'm just stretching it like that. Move it around. Move it a little bit. And so there's my design. Now, once again, you can play with this right now. I'm just showing you how easy it is for you to create your own brand. Okay. And from here, we're going to click Save Product. So here's my product. It's going to give you options on how you can do different things to this product. Choose your color. We're going to leave it at white. And from here, you can write your product description. My t-shirt. Let me see. White hoodie with my logo. Okay, and then in here, you're going to, either you can leave this or change what you want to change, put in your description, your pricing. So it's going to give you different variants of how you can price your product. And so when you take a look at the price, the cost for you, let's say if we did a small, the cost for you for small is $21.87. This is the cost that Printify is charging you for this sweater. Now they're saying the suggested retail price is $36.45. The retail price is the price that they're suggesting that you sell it to your customer for. Okay, which means your profit would be $14.58. So that's 40% profit margin. Okay, so what they did was they subtracted $36.45 from $21.87. The profit in between is what you'll make. So you would make $14.58. Okay, if you have a Shopify store or some other type of store, you can connect your store to this. As people go to your website to purchase the product, they would purchase it from you. And then if you have a store that you want to connect to your Printify account, then Printify would print it on demand. So you wouldn't have to house any of these products. Printify would print it and ship it out to your customer. Now, what I would recommend is reaching out to Printify, maybe through their chat button, so they can explain that process to you. Now, ultimately, this process is called drop shipping. Drop shipping simply is you don't have to house the product in your home. Now, you can if you want to, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. What would happen, once again, is that customer would place their order and Printify would fulfill all of your orders, and you would keep the profit in between.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Terry on Demand, where we're giving you the hottest information that you want to know about. Do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and share this video with somebody who you know will benefit from this information. Listen, check out the description box where you can pick up my new ebook that I've just written just for you. Have a great day and see you on the next episode.